Hey guys, Jeff here with Simply Derivative, and here's the daily recap. It is Monday, August 13th. We're taking a look here at the ES E-minis futures contract. On the day, you can see we had a pretty nice reversal coming early in the morning between 7:30 and 8. We got up as high as about 28.43, almost 28.44, up into this congestion up in here, the selling pressure, where we saw weakness on Friday, where the market pulled back as well, rallied all the way back up over there overnight, and basically sold off the rest of the day. Shorter term, we were actually able to take about 3 points out of the market to the long side this morning based on our 5-minute strategy that we use. And other than that, we really just watched the market pull back. Bigger picture, we're taking a look here at the daily, and we had come right up into this area, basically the top of the market here in the ES, going back to January 26th of this year, and basically stalled out. The rally stalled out, and now we're hitting some areas where we're seeing possible buyers come in. But I have a feeling we may retest this 2800 here this week, and then at that point, we're coming to really an inflection point. Is the market going to be able to hold that and the previous highs and then push up further, or are we going to experience some further weakness and possibly retest this 2740, 2730 area, and ultimately maybe lower 2670? We really don't know at this point, but we're taking a look and seeing intraday what we can do, and then keeping the big picture in mind as well. And we had put on some option positions up here, and we added to them today as well to protect against the downside, take advantage of the downside, and we're going to see how those play out while taking advantage of our short-term opportunities as well that we get on a daily basis. So if we flip over to one other thing before we go, SPX here, you can see that we've stayed within this upward sloping channel ever since about April, start of April. And we did, come up into this same area, these all-time high candles up here at 28.72 on SPX. Got up there, put in some small ranges, and then basically gapped down in the opposite direction that we have been going. So at least to the downside, short term, this looks pretty good. Like I said, we may retest this 2800 here in the next day or two, and then really see if we can hold that. If not, I think we may be headed a little bit lower to the bottom side of this channel before we move up again and ultimately take this out. It's just a matter of time and how we get there, kind of thing. But those are the two markets that we've been looking at, and we'll continue to look at this week. And that's it, guys, for the daily recap. Be sure to hit the subscribe button in the link below. Follow us on social media, and if you need help learning to read the markets, understanding price action, how to trade, futures, options, spreads, whatever it is, really, adding to your trading tool belt, if you will. You guys will definitely find value in what we have to offer, and take a look at our content, and you can see all the helpful trading videos we have, our daily recaps, and be sure to sign up for our newsletter as well. Until next time, see you.